Hello everybody. This is Kostas, and to this short video, we're gonna focus on the way that we can add subtitles to a video that I created with Video Express AI. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna show you what I did to create this video very fast, just showing the steps. You know, you can create your audio with Suno. Okay, I just let my daughter and she created the amazing audio and songs. And then the next, you can do the same with the Music Creator AI. That's a really amazing platform, and you can easily use even the free credits just to test the platform because even sooner you can create any kind of audio and you can use the free credits too and create amazing content. Okay, and one more platform is the Clone Voice AI. That's really an amazing one-time payment platform that you can create unlimited audio and even clone your own voice. Okay, so when you create the music, you just grab the MP3 from the platform, and then you can use the Artistly. This is the Artistly. Artistly uses again the same one-time payment. You know. One-time payment plan, and you can easily use the agents that they are built in. You see, there is this nursery rhymes and the music storyboard that it's really very easy to use. This, in fact, you can upload your MP3 from the platform that you created the music, and then just say what exactly images you want the platform to create, and it's gonna create the images that you need for your song. It's gonna analyze your song and it's gonna create the images that fits to your music and in fact to your lyrics. Okay, so the next step is to use the API just to connect with the Video Express AI here and just import from Artistly here, and you just select all the images that you want to use to your video and just import them here to Video Express AI. And the last step, that's the easiest step, it's just to move on and go to create with AI and just create a video from using the library. You just select, let's say, one image from here, my Artistly images. You select one image and just click create video. Okay. After you create the videos, you can just create, let's say, about 10 or 15 videos on that way. You just add the audio here, the MP3. You can easily upload your MP3 here. You go to media library, you select, let's say, you can create a folder, and you just upload from here your file. Okay, after you uploaded your MP3 song, you just drag and drop it and put it over there because I have already added the music. I don't need to add it again. After you create the music and the videos, you just have everything set. And if I play the music, you're gonna see the videos that I created. Everything is connected here, and it just plays the music, and it shows the videos that I have created with AI. So on that way, you have easily created a video clips for any kind of music. Okay, if you don't like any of those videos that you created, you can easily just recreate or redesign your images just by moving to my AI videos. You can select any video from this one, and you can just you see, if you click on details, you can easily redesign your video. Okay, you can just recreate it and add it once again with a different style. But usually when you don't use any kind of prompt to create these videos, sometimes it can become a little bit crazy. So it's better to use some kind of prompt to say, let's say, create a girl that she does a slam dunk. Okay, that's gonna be more natural, and it's gonna feel like giving the information and giving instructions to the AI, and on that way the agent is gonna create a better. You're gonna have a better result to your video. Okay, so now to this video, it's the last part that we want to create and add our subtitles to this video. What I'm gonna do is let me just move my. Okay, I'm gonna become from here from the left side, and as you can see here, or maybe you don't see that to the video, so I'm gonna make it a little bit like that so that you can easily see the whole picture of the AI, the video express AI. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna grab myself here, and I'm gonna come back from the right side. Okay, and over here you're gonna see that we got this button that it says automatic captions. Okay, when you click automatic captions, you're gonna be redirected to this platform where you can just sign in. It's the vid subtitles app, and over here you can click my projects. You see, you're gonna see some of the projects that I created, and easily from here you can move to create, and when you select create, you can just import from Video Express. I'm gonna select the basket song, the one that I was creating before, and over here you're gonna see the basketball song. I can even play it. Okay, that's in fact you're listening to a Greek song. That's what my daughter created, and I had the mission to add to create the video and add the subtitles. Okay, so that's what I'm showing you. It's the whole procedure to create easily the video in any language. This one is in Greek language, and you see the next step, it's gonna be just to import from Video Express as I did right now, and then click next. So to the next step, I'm gonna have to decide what language I use for my video. So here I'm gonna select Greek, and I don't have two voices. Okay, if you have two people speaking one to the other, it's better to select the two voices mode. Here we got one singer, and I'm gonna just click next, and we have the 16:9, and now I'm gonna select next, and here I'm gonna add the subtitles to the video. You can decide where you want the subtitles to show. You can even have them to the sender, and you can have them sender over here, and you can have word by word or animated like that. Usually it's nice to have the black one and the yellow inside like that. You can make you see the letters to be really big. You can make them 72 here like that, and you can have them even if you want to the bottom over here. Okay, so moving on, I can just click next, and I don't need to use the inline editor that the program gives me, because I can easily, you see, I can add an emoji here. I can add it over here and create some kind of these funny videos. But in fact, because I don't want to use something like that, I just want the subtitles to my video, I'm gonna just click next, and I don't need to add any other music, and I'm gonna just click next, and now I'm gonna click edit transcription. Sometimes when you create in another language than English, it's better to check the transcription if it matters that much. Okay, because sometimes AI can really make mistakes, but usually it's not making that much mistakes. It might have something transcribed in a wrong way, but it's always nice to just have check it and move on. Anyway, just we give it just a couple of I don't think a couple of minutes. So it takes about 1 minute to create the transcription. um, we're gonna wait for a moment, just because I want to show you that the procedure is not that big. And it's always nice to have transcription, even if you create nice small videos, short videos, or even if you create the longer videos like this one, that it's a video clip. On the other hand, the point is to create, to show consistency and create, not just to to view other videos, because I'm sure that you're watching videos created by AI, but it's much better to test it and try to create your own videos, and use your imagination and think anything about you might want to create, and just I can just give you the idea of so many interesting tools. Okay, you can subscribe to my channel, and you're gonna see so many tools that I have suggested in the last years. And it's not so nice just to watch videos. It's better to create, trust me. You're gonna see here that it created the transcription. I'm not gonna bother about checking anything over here. I'm gonna just leave it like that, and just click save to move on. Okay, I'm gonna just click save. I'm gonna give a name over here, basketball uh, song subs. Okay, because it has the subs, and I'm gonna just click create transcript. That was all. So the next step is just to wait here to create the transcription, and to have my video ready to upload to my daughter's channel, and gain a lot of views. Okay, because it's really an interesting and very nice song. She is a basketball player too. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and uh, please subscribe or like my video. And of course, uh, I'm gonna leave the links to my description, so that you can find out more about Video Express AI, about Artistly AI, about the Music Creator AI, about the Clone Voice AI that I told you before, and of course the Suno, if in case you didn't use yet, and you have no idea what exactly it is. All those tools are really very powerful and easy to use, and trust me, you're gonna get ahead of your competitors, and you're gonna manage to create a lot of content. Thank you very much for watching one of my videos, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.